This is a fuel filter. We have our fuel pump in the tank here, and the fuel line comes into the filter and then goes through this line to the fuel rail to the fuel injector. So it's recommended that we change the fuel filter every so often. This manufacturer recommends about every 10,000 miles. So we just put a combination wrench here, and we put a combination wrench here, and we break this loose, and then we're going to thread this off here like this. Sometimes I'll just get it free. This one's really rusty. Let's move this bolt off here. Okay, and then you'll have a catch pan underneath to catch any fuel. Have some clips. So we're gonna push these two clips with our fingers. So we're gonna push these two clips here, and we're gonna pull back on this hose. You can see the little clips off of here like that, and then let this side coming from the tank drain. And then we'll just slide this out. Now, if this bracket, sometimes you may have to remove the bracket, but we'll just slide it out this way. And then that's how we get it off. So to check the fuel filter, see if it's restricted, what you do is you blow through it. So just on my mouth here, I want to see if it's easy to blow through. If it's hard to blow through, then it's restricted. It's a good thing that we did replace it. Okay, so we have a new fuel filter. We'll just let that drain. We have a new fuel filter, and it has a clip with it, and it's threaded, and you can see out. Pay attention, if these are both the same, on some vehicles it will say out and in, and then there's a flow arrow. So, same thing as before, we just slide it back through. We're gonna plug this in here, and we just push this so it snaps it together. And it will click into place. Thread this in with our finger first. Make sure it's not cross-threaded. Sometimes you can twist the filter like this if it's easier. Get it started. Hold this one, and then you can tighten this one back into place. It's like we did before. You don't need to crank this down so tight that it ruins the thread or the head here. Just want to snug it out. Okay. I have to edit that out. So I'm just going to go like this. And then you just get it nice and snug like that. And then you can just get the stuff off, and we're going to make sure that it's not leaking any fuel out here or here when we start it. This is no leak, so after we verified how tight it was, no leak, and then we're good.